Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best caulking finishing tool is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in any DIYer's or professional's toolkit, transforming messy caulk lines into perfectly smooth, clean finishes that elevate the look of any project, from kitchens and bathrooms to windows and doors, making it a small investment for a significant aesthetic upgrade that truly makes a difference in the final presentation of your work. Number 5. 3-in-1 Silicone Caulking Tools. Introducing our 3-in-1 caulking tool, designed to help you repair gaps and clean residual glue. Achieve a better finish and enhance the aesthetic appeal of your surfaces. This tool features two modes, a stainless steel scraper for stubborn old glue and a silicone trowel for smoothing bumps and dents. It's perfect for finishing sealing lines and caulking jobs on edges, corners, and joints. Easily clean and reuse this tool, reducing sealant waste and eliminating the need for masking tape. It offers a convenient and quick solution, saving you both money and time. Equipped with a non-slip push-pull button, it allows you to easily replace the 5 included silicone pads with various radius options. This ensures you have the right tool for any specific caulking need. Ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, windows, sink joints, and more. This versatile tool is suitable for a wide range of applications around your home. We are here to assist if you have any questions. What we like. This tool offers a versatile 3-in-1 design, combining scraping and smoothing capabilities. It comes with multiple replaceable silicone pads for various radius finishes. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution that handles both old caulk removal and new sealant application with customizable finishes, this is a great choice. What people say. This tool is great for smoothing caulk lines and creating a clean finish. It has multiple edge profiles that allow for different bead sizes. The silicone material is flexible and doesn't scratch surfaces. Number 4. Saker 3-in-1 Silicone Caulking Tool. Meet the Saker 3-in-1 Caulking Tool, your ultimate solution for sealing and finishing tasks. This versatile tool is designed to make your home improvement projects easier and more efficient. It combines 3 essential functions into one: an internal angle scraper, a flat angle scraper, and a silicone smoother. This allows you to effortlessly remove old sealant, reseal gaps, and repair joints with a professional finish. Crafted with a sharp stainless steel blade for removing old caulk and a smooth silicone trowel for application, this tool is built to last. The white silicone pads ensure a perfect application of new sealant every time. Say goodbye to masking tape and tedious cleanup. This tool effectively removes old caulk and smooths new sealant quickly and conveniently, saving you valuable time on any project. Ideal for use in your home, kitchen, bathroom, or on windows and sink joints. Its smart design is suitable for both interior and exterior caulking needs, making it a truly all-around tool. Simply clean the area, remove old caulk, and then apply and smooth new caulk with the silicone side. With a little practice and a steady hand, you'll achieve neat, even finishes every time. What we like. This option boasts a professional 3-in-1 design, featuring a sharp stainless steel blade for tough old caulk and a silicone trowel for smooth finishing. If you prioritize a tool that effectively removes old sealant and applies new caulk with a clean, professional look, this is ideal for you. What people say. It makes a smooth bead of caulk, and it is very easy to use. This tool is a real-time saver and makes the caulk look professional. The different sizes and shapes allow for a perfect finish on any corner or edge. Number 3. King&Charles Silicone Caulking Tool Kit. Introducing the King&Charles Silicone Caulking Tool Kit, your all-in-one solution for professional-looking caulking jobs. This upgraded set helps you repair gaps and clean residual glue effortlessly. Achieve seamless joints and improve the aesthetic of any surface in seconds. It's perfect for corners and ensures a clean finish on most silicone applications. Our tool features a non-slip design and comes with 5 replaceable silicone pads in various radii. They are easy to clean, reusable, and designed for a long lifespan. This kit is compatible with most sealants, including silicone, resin, and grout. It's ideal for use in bathrooms, kitchens, windows, sinks, and tubs. Designed for speed and efficiency, these tools make caulk removal simple without damaging surfaces. Get a professional finish with ease. You'll be delighted with the professional-looking results you can achieve. This kit makes tough caulking tasks easy and fast. What we like. This kit provides a 4-in-1 solution for caulk and grout work, designed to help you achieve professional-looking results quickly. It includes multiple finishing tools and replaceable pads for various joint types. If you're a DIY enthusiast who wants to easily create seamless joints and improve the aesthetic of your surfaces, this kit is perfect. What people say. The caulking tool is a game-changer for achieving smooth, professional-looking finishes. It effectively removes excess caulk and creates a clean bead, saving time and effort. The different edge profiles allow for various joint types, making it versatile for different tasks. Number 2. Outus 2-piece blue caulking tool set. Introducing a set of 2 blue sealant tools, crafted from durable, flexible plastic for a long-lasting and reliable experience. With over 10 different edges, these tools adapt to your needs, ensuring a perfect seal on various surfaces and angles. Streamline your sealing projects. These handy tools help you achieve smooth, clean lines without the need for masking tape, saving you both time and material. Designed for repeated use, they are perfect for any edge or corner. Simply wipe them clean with a damp cloth for your next project. Whether it's for DIY crafts or floor sealant, these tools are compatible with most sealant types, including silicone, acrylic, and grout. What we like. This set offers 2 flexible plastic tools with over 10 different edges, providing versatility for various sealing tasks and angles. They are reusable and easy to clean. If you need a simple, adaptable tool for basic sealing jobs around the house and appreciate the convenience of multiple edge options in a flexible material, this set is a practical choice. What people say. This tool is great for smoothing out caulk lines. It makes it easy to get a clean, professional finish. The different edges allow for various bead sizes. Number 1. Cramer 40407 Grouting and Silicone Profiling Kit. Introducing the Cramer 40407, a professional tool kit designed for the removal and renewal of silicone joints. Made in Germany, it ensures precision and ease in your projects. This comprehensive kit includes 5 sealant finishing tools, 2 guides, and a silicone removal tool with 3 interchangeable metal blades. Everything you need is conveniently stored in a practical storage box. Easily remove old silicone joints with the included removal tool and its saw blade. For any remaining residues, the scraping blade ensures a clean finish. Achieve smooth, professional-looking joints with 5 sealant smoother tools offering 16 profile variants and 2 guides. These guides help bridge intersections and prevent dips for a seamless finish. All sealant tools feature a 90 degrees angle edge, ensuring that corners are perfectly grouted every time. This design guarantees precise and clean results. Process silicone caulking in small sections without the need for soapy water. This method makes blemishes easy to rework without disturbing the existing joint. With this kit, even the most complex silicone profiling becomes child's play. All tools are neatly stored in a practical plastic box, ensuring nothing gets lost. What we like. This professional kit, made in Germany, is designed for both the removal of old silicone joints and the precise application of new ones. It includes specialized finishing tools and a multi-blade remover for detailed work. If you demand high quality and precision for complex silicone joint repairs and want a comprehensive solution for both removal and renewal, this kit is for you. What people say. This tool is great for smoothing caulk lines. It makes a clean, professional-looking finish every time. The different edges allow for various bead sizes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.